Worried about a transaction bouncing? Overdraft Protection links another Chase account to cover purchases if your checking account runs low. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Go to Account Management for your checking account online or in the app. Look for Overdraft Protection Settings. You can link your Chase savings account or a Chase credit card as a backup funding source. If your checking is short, funds will automatically transfer from your linked account to cover the transaction, usually for a transfer fee, $10 or $12 per transfer from savings. Cash advance fees, interest may apply from a credit card. My crucial pro tip: link to savings, not a credit card. Using a credit card can trigger a cash advance with high fees and interest starting immediately. Linking to a savings account incurs a transfer fee but is generally cheaper and simpler. The best protection, however, is a cash buffer and alerts to avoid overdrafts altogether. Choose a safety net that makes financial sense for your situation. Do you use overdraft protection, or do you rely on alerts and buffers? For more guides on avoiding banking fees, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.